So when do I need to change my sewing machine needle? Part 1. So this one's all about troubleshooting. Sometimes it's obvious when you need to change your sewing machine needle. It's broken or it's obviously bent. But sometimes it's not obvious and there just starts being a little bit of a problem with your stitches. They're not quite right, they're a bit loopy on the back, you've rethreaded your machine and you've rethreaded it again and you've messed about with the tension and none of that has worked. Give changing your sewing machine needle a go. It might just be it's bent and you can't tell, or it might have blunted off during the sewing, and again you just can't tell. It would always be my next go-to troubleshooting action after I've checked that my threading is correct.